Hello, my name is Stefania, and today I will do a reading for my English course. Bob, we need to make a decision on who we are going to hire for the new salesperson position. Darren, I know there are a lot of good applicants. So far, we have interviewed 10 people and have looked at over 50 resumes. Bob, well, let's take a look at some of the best and make a decision. Darren, okay, the first person is Phil. He has worked as a salesperson for 10 years in both the United States and Canada. Also, he has been the manager of the sales department of a large auto parts company. Bob, sounds interesting, but has he ever worked in the food sales industry? No, he hasn't. Bob, that might be a problem. We need someone with food experience. Darren, okay, what about Karen? She has worked in the food industry for 6 years. She has been a manager of a major supermarket and worked in marketing for a large meat company. Bob, okay, has she worked in international sales before? Darren, no, she has never worked in international sales. Bob, well, that could be a problem. This job will require a lot of international experience. I think we need someone who has worked in an international environment. Darren, well, what about Larry? We haven't met him yet, but his resume looks good. He has been a salesperson in the food industry for 30 years. He has lived in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. In the past 4 years, he has learned how to speak Spanish and French. Bob, wow, sounds great. Darren, the problem is we still haven't had an interview with him. Bob, well, let's get him in here and see what he has to say.